A couple of days ago, I said to you I was going to make a video on the best broker to trade Forex with. Now, a lot of you are choosing a broker based on the spread only. So that's the difference between the buy or the bid and the ask price. So there is a price that the banks offer for a currency, and then you go through a broker, and then the broker marks up that price, and that markup is called the spread. So it's the difference between those two prices. And a lot of you are choosing your broker based on that solely, and that I feel is the wrong way to choose a broker. So where the broker catches you a lot is on the commissions that they charge. So you can look at my screen now and you can see that on the trade it says their commission, and then above there it says their swaps. So a commission is basically a commission that you get charged every time a trade is placed on top of the spread that's being charged to you. And then there is the swap fee. So I said to you in my last video, if you click on in the top right hand corner to watch that video about the swap fees, a swap fee is basically it's a fee charged to you if you hold a trade longer than 24 hours. Now, if you belong to our organization, we can help you to get that charge removed. Now, normally you would have to be following the Sharia law, which is the law that the Muslims follow, which says that they don't allow and they don't charge interest when they are borrowing or lending any money. So with our broker, because we have such a special relationship with our broker, we're able to have those swap fees removed. So there's no commission with our broker, there's no swap fees with our broker, and also the spread for the trade is very, very low. So as you can see on the screen now, that most of the currencies are below 2 pips. See that gold is fluctuating. There must be some sort of volatility. So this is not 37 pips or 40 pips. This is 4 pips, and that's only for gold. Now you see, you're making a decision based on the pips only, but you're not factoring in the commission that you're going to pay with other brokers, and the swap fee that you get, the overnight swap fee charge that you're going to be paid. So this is a once-off charge, but the swap fee is a fee that you get charged on a daily basis. So I can hold a trade for 3 weeks, a month, 2 months, 3 years. So let me go to one of my other my MT5 platform, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I've got a trade open, 2 trades open over here, and you can see here that there was swap fees being charged, and then I had the swap fees removed. But look at the date that I took this trade. This trade I took 10th of February 2021. The date today is January the 27th. So I've been holding this trade for ages, and the point is that you can't be looking at a broker only based on the spread of the currencies that you're going to be trading. Okay, there are many other advantages that why I use FBS, and let me show you some of those advantages now. So firstly, you get a level up bonus. So when you start trading with FBS, before you even deposit, so a sign up bonus, as a sign up bonus, you can get $140 added to your account. Okay, and there are terms and conditions with that. You have to trade a certain amount of pips within 30 days, and then you won't be able to withdraw the $140, but you will be able to draw the profit of that $140. Now, as a novice trader, I don't recommend that you start trading immediately using the $140, because you only get that initial sign-up bonus once. Okay, so don't use it. Now, if you want to use this broker and take advantage of this level up bonus, then in the comment section of this video is the link to the broker where you can get those 2 advantages: 1, the swap fees removed, and 2, the level up bonus. Okay, then they've got various different promotions that you can take advantage of. There's the level up bonus, and there is a 100% deposit bonus. Now, I don't recommend that you use the 100% bonus, and the reason being for that is because when you're going to draw down, you may think that you've got, let's say you deposit $100 now on you, and you take the level up bonus. So in your account it says they're $200. Now when your drawdown gets to, let's say 50%. It's not 50% of the $200, it's 50% of the $100, which is very, very confusing to most novice traders. And as you know, when you get to 80% drawdown on your account, you will, unfortunately, it's called a margin call, and you blow your account. So if you've taken this 100% deposit bonus and you do get to a drawdown of 50%, it actually means that your drawdown is 100% and you've blown your account. So it's actually at about 40%, where your actual drawdown is 70, 75, maybe 80%, which is very, very confusing for a novice trader. So I highly recommend that you don't use that feature. Now, the leverage, a lot of people say that leverage is dangerous. Leverage is dangerous. Just like driving a car at 300 miles an hour is dangerous. So if you don't know and understand leverage, okay, then it can be a disadvantage for you. But on the converse of it, it can be very advantageous for you if you know what you're doing. Okay, so if you know how to read a forex chart and you have an 85% certainty that a pair is going to move in a specific direction based on either technical or fundamentals, then the leverage would be very advantageous to you. Now, I run a free forex course. In the bottom of this screen, you can see my the website, which is Learn to Read a Forex Chart, where I teach you how to read any instrument, whether it's Forex, commodities, indices, any financial instrument. My principle works on with that instrument, and it's a very simple, easy to use, easy to understand strategy that's got 4 or 5 different rules. Again, very, very simple to use. I think a 10-year-old could do it. Okay, so if you want to know more about that, in the comment section of this video is the link to my Learn to Read a Forex Chart a website. Also, VPS, you can get a VPS server directly from this company, and they have an unbelievable loyalty program. And then there is the IB program. The IB program, which stands for Independent Business Program, is for people that like to promote and help other people to get into the program that they are working with. Now, when you apply for the IB program, how it works is you would get 15% of the spread that every one of your people that you introduce to FBS, all their trades, you would get 15% of their spread, which is absolutely unbelievable. And that's on level 1. Level 2, you would get 10% of the spread charged on every trade taken by the person that you introduce. So it's a 2-level only earnings program, which, I mean, if you've got 1,000, do the math. Okay, if you've got 1,000 traders and you educate them on how to trade and how to be successful, your earnings commissions could be in the tens of thousands of dollars. I do know of people that are making $50,000, $100,000 per month with this program. So it's very, very lucrative. Apart from the monetary bonuses that you're going to get and the promotions, FBS has a very interesting analytical and education program where they post videos on their Telegram group and on their YouTube channel, which is absolutely fantastic. They also have various different trading platforms that you can use and various different accounts. Now, one of the main advantages, okay, that I like about FBS is their different types of accounts that they have. So for a person that has a very low amount of capital, we would recommend a cent account. So a cent account basically means that your dollars that you trade are converted into cents. So if you deposit $100 on your MT4 platform, it's going to say 100 times 100, which is 10,000. So in other words, you've got 10,000 US cents to trade with. Now, the lot sizes is works the same way as it would on a micro account, but you're working in cents. So the lowest lot size that you can use in Forex is a 0.01, but a 0.01 on a cent account is very different to a 0.01 on a micro account. So a 0.01 on a micro account means that for every pip that the currency moves, you are charged $1. So if you used a 0.02 lot size, then you would be charged $2. So let's say the currency moved 2 pips. You would be charged on a 0.02 $4 per pip. So if it moves another 2 pips, it would be 0.4 pips times 0.2, which is $8. Okay, very, very easy to understand. But on a cent account, it is 1 cent per pip. Okay, and that is very significant. So it means that your risk on a cent account, even though you're using a high leverage of 1 to 1,000 or 1 to 3,000, your risk on a cent account is much, much lower than that of a micro account or a standard account or an ECN account, which is very, very important. So that advantage alone is more than enough reason just to join this broker. So again, if you want to join this broker, you can go down into the comment section of this link of this video and go and click on the link to join the broker. Now, FBS has won numerous awards. They also are the sponsors, the official sponsor and partner to the Chelsea Football Club. Okay, so if you watch soccer, you will see there on all the banners and on the t-shirts of the Chelsea players that they are the official sponsor, and that is absolutely unbelievable. So their motto is that FBS gives back, and they really do. As you can see from the promotions that they've given, they've been absolutely unbelievable to me. Now, I want to share with you, if I can, the different ways that you can draw funds and you can deposit funds. So like every broker, how it works when you deposit money using, let's say, your bank account. The capital that you deposit has to go back to that bank account that you originally funded your account with. The reason being is because they are trying to prevent money laundering. So you can't open an account, deposit via Bitcoin, where you got your money by trading armaments, and then you want to withdraw your money back to your country using your bank account. They will not allow that. Okay, so you can use one bank account. So if you deposit, you're using one bank account. When you withdraw, you can't withdraw. You can only withdraw your capital back to that bank account, and then after you've drawn your capital, you can withdraw your profits to another medium, such as crypto or Neteller, Perfect Money, etc. So with the crypto, you can draw it back to Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, and you can use the Tron network as well. So that's also a fantastic advantage. So when you withdraw funds, let's just click on the withdrawals. Here are the different trading mechanisms that you can use, which is absolutely fantastic. So I don't know why they don't have the Bitcoin option here. Let's just have a look for the deposit. But on my system, it does have the option to deposit and withdraw. Let me log in and show you. Right, so here's the Bitcoin, Cash, USDT, Ethereum, the Tron network, normal Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and if you're in South Africa, there will be another button over here for local bank transfers. So if you want to transfer from Investec, Capitec, FNB, ABSA, Standard Bank, and I think that's it. Those are the only EFTs that you can do with FBS. So the advantages of joining FBS is that they're trustworthy, they're continuously developing broker, they've got over 700 people working for them, they're the most beneficial, they have the most beneficial offers in Forex, they've got thousands of profitable orders executed daily, the team of highly qualified professionals, I can speak from experience, and millions of thankful customers. They have over 23 million traders worldwide. They are licensed in 3 countries: Belize, Cyprus, South Africa, and Australia. So this is a very popular registered and authentic broker that you should be using. Okay, so that's the reason why I use FBS, and those are the advantages of using FBS, and that's the reasons why you need to choose this broker as your preferred broker. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you liked it. You can please comment in the comment section of this video. Please leave me information of why you like this video, what you like best about this video, and also if you have any questions about the broker or about other brokers that you'd like to ask me, and also if you have other suggestions of videos that you'd like me to create for you, please put that in the comment section. And also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any information that I post, and I post videos 3 times a week. So thanks for listening, and I'll see you on my next video.